Hey guys, it's the ALPHA RECON ELITE deployment once again in a new battlefield. This time we were playing at the backdraft team field, a great field, lots of people, lots of buildings, a good camp for sure. This time we were almost all the ALPHA RECON ELITE deployment. Our eight members. Now we are 10. It was the first time that we played in this field. We tried several tactics to push the enemy back. The game mode was you needed to capture the enemy flag and bring it to the bomb spot, where then you could plant the bomb. I just saw a little head and just shot it. My gun is really accurate, trust me. We realized that in the middle of the field there were two houses. The one that we are at right now and the other right on the other side, because those houses, who controls that white house controls the field, trust me. I was never expecting a full house, but at least I could kill them all. If you control that house, you make the enemy push a very hard mission, because you can see almost all of the entrance to the buildings. So we focused on getting advantage of that point and win the game. I just didn't shot him because I thought he was dead. I don't know why, but yeah. It started to rain and I got a water drop in my camera, but don't worry, just a few seconds. It's just for you to see Alpha 004 sneaky peeking. What the hell is wrong with this guy? This guy said something, but I couldn't understand, and I wasn't there to argue with anybody. I was just there to shoot them. We switched sides and we tried to go for the bomb that was already planted. This part was very cool because we just ghost walked into the warehouse where we caught all the enemy team off guarded, and Alpha 004 killed 3 guys and just used 1 bullet. But just check his calm, he's walking like I'm the fucking Terminator, man, don't fuck with me. Some players from our team just raided the warehouse, but from a different entrance, and we just got out in control of the bomb spot. I never saw this bomb. I didn't know what we needed to do. I didn't know how to disarm it, but we just stopped the timer. I did, and I talked with the organization guy that told me that the bomb couldn't be planted because all of the flags were still in the same position, so we just kept playing. I just saw Alpha 004 going into that sweet spot on the field, and I just rushed and tried to make our team come with us. But yeah, we just hold it down the fort. I spent some time here because, as I said previously, this is a great spot, and I just found a good angle and waited for the enemy, because I could see their feet before they tried to enter into the house. I was telling this guy what I was doing because I thought this was really fun, and he told me, man, the blind fire isn't allowed. I know, just check this. I just put myself like this. Pow! Another kill. Later this week we will publish our 24-hour milsim Last Survivor 2 organized by Saturn, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and follow us on the social media, so we can keep bringing you this cool airsoft content. Alpha out.